What's up y'all people, I am back with another awesome Mafia City video, and it's one more Renegade video. And in this video we are going to talk about the right investment you need to do in order to make your Renegade more stronger. And this is the second video in our series. If you missed that first video, in that video I explain a lot of important things about Renegades. What are they, how they work, and they are important or not. Lots of things about Renegades I explained in that video. If you missed that video, I'm going to give the link of the video in the description, so make sure to watch that video if you still did not. And also guys, subscribe to this channel and turn on bell icon notification for more awesome, fun, informative Mafia City videos. Now guys, let's quickly begin on the investment thing. Let's go to investment agency. There we are going to go on the Renegades. And on the Renegades guys, first when Renegades come, I think the top investment are the most important investment, and I think that I'm never going to do this investment below at all. But as you can see, I was wrong. Renegade, as we can see, are very important, and they are helping you to win a lot of battle guys. I have so many battle reports that my subscriber have shared with me that shocked me guys. I have even seen some battle report where like a 400 statistic player is beating 1000 statistic player, and I have seen a 600 statistic player is beating 2000 stats player guys. That's crazy guys, that what you can do with Renegades. And it's still new. I think that a lot of people are still not focusing on this, so there is a disbalance in Renegades for sure right now. As people are going to learn more and more about this, I think it's going to get more balanced. But still guys, it's crazy how Renegades are closing the gap between like a 400 statistic player and 1000 stats player. And these are the battle report that I'm going to talk about in my next video, so make sure to turn on the bell icon notification. Now let's talk about what investment you need to do first. So guys, there are two rows that I want you to finish first in this investment section. The first row guys is going to be our second last row, where it's strength boost, general damage, and strength expansion. This is going to increase the strength attribute of your Renegades, and it's going to help your Renegades to kill a lot more troops when you are going to attack, especially in tournaments and stuff. It's going to be very important. So this is the line what I want you to first max out. It's going to take a lot of resources, so you need to collect a lot of resources. After you max out this strength boost, then you need to go on your general damage boost, and then later you need to go on your strength expansion boost, where as you can see, boost Renegade strength attribute percentage wise. So these are the investment that I want you to finish first. Once you are done with this, then let's come on to the second line. It's going to be your physique line guys. Physique boost one that you need to max out, then you need to max out general resistance boost, and then you need to boost out physique expansion. This is the second row that I want you to max out. Once you're done with your strength line, then go on your physique line and then max out this whole thing. After this guys, you can max out all of this as fast as possible. Generally I'm going to go on your speed expansion, because there I can get this turf assault boost. It's going to increase my damage of my Renegades when I'm going to attack a turf. So this is I think more important for me, because right now I'm doing a lot of killing in my city. I think this will be very important for me. So this is the thing that I'm going to max out after I finish with both of these rows what I am talking about. So this is how you need to get started, and then later you can finish everything that you can and finish this whole section. It's going to take a lot of time, a lot of resources, but guys, it's definitely going to worth it. It's going to make your Renegades a lot more stronger. So this is how I'm going to do investment, and this is how you need to do investment too, in order to make your Renegade stronger as fast as possible. I don't want you to waste your resources on wrong kind of investment in the beginning. I know everything will be useful. What more important right now is going to be these two rows, the physique one and the strength one, that you need to max out as fast as possible. So this is how I am going to do. Do let me know what you did first, if you've done some investment. Your information on Renegades guys is been awesome. A lot of people are contacting me, telling me what I need to do, what they did to make their Renegade skill more. As you can see, this thing is still new. A lot of people are learning about this. We still did not know everything about Renegade, so we are learning, and you guys sharing your information with me is guys very cool. So this is I think I am going to do this. Do let me know your opinion in the comment section below. So that was the investment thing guys. A lot more important Renegades video are going to come in future. Make sure to share this video with all of your friends who are struggling in Renegades or starting to play Mafia City, and like this video and subscribe to the channel for more awesome, fun, informative Mafia City video. I'll be back with another awesome, fun, informative Mafia City video. Until then, take care, stay safe, and peace.